Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone and Best. And today we're going to be making a short video on the Broan E64000 series that I have here behind me. And the purpose of the video is I just want to show you how to get up inside the unit in case you need to replace an electrical component or get at something inside the hood. So let's get started. Alright, before we get started, the first thing you must always remember anytime going up inside the hood of any of our hoods to service, make sure that the power is disconnected to the hood. For safety precautions, just go to that circuit breaker box and make sure you pick the appropriate breaker and turn it off so there's no power going up to this unit. To get up to the inside of this unit, first you must remove the baffle filters on this particular unit. The baffle filters, you would basically just grab onto the handle, you would pull towards you and then lower the bottom of the filter out of the range hood. For filming purposes, I have this unit sitting on a table, but you would just grab the handle, you would bring it towards you, and then lower the bottom of the filter and the filter would come out. And I'm going to go ahead and do that, all three filters. These filters can be put in a sink of hot soapy water with Dawn dish detergent. They are dishwasher safe, so you could also do that as well. This here is the grease rail where the baffle filters were sitting in. This can be taken out to clean, and you just do that just by lifting it up. It's basically sitting on that bracket. You can also just wipe this clean, get rid of that grease buildup in the unit. Right here we have the electrical box assembly. There is one screw holding that electrical box, and I'm going to go ahead and undo the electrical box by using a Phillips screwdriver. So I'm removing that one Phillips screw. Here's the electrical box cover. To get up inside the unit, if you ever had to replace a switch, this whole light panel comes down. And I'm going to go ahead and take this panel down. There are 3 screws holding this panel. I'm going to tilt this up a little bit. You might be able to see a little bit better. Here's a Phillips screw on the right, on the center, and on the left hand side there's also a screw. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. When all 3 screws are removed, what you're going to do is there's a piece of band steel located inside this unit right here, and you're going to bend that straight and this whole panel will come down. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the 3 screws. There's one. There's 2. And one more is 3. If you take a look inside, there's this band steel, and first what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the motor, and you can do that just by squeezing the little clip here. Pull down. Now I'm going to bend the band steel straight. Now this whole cover here will come on down. And you want to be careful You can bring it right out of the hood. So now you actually have access to this complete light assembly inside. Here is the motor capacitor, the lights, and you have the switches as well you can get at, and the heat sensor. This light assembly is basically, these are quick connects again. You just take your pointing finger and your thumb and you squeeze it and pull apart. The light assemblies just turn in this unit and they'll pop right out of there. So everything inside this unit is replaceable. The knobs, if you were to want to replace the switch assembly, the knobs have a Allen wrench screw, and you take an Allen wrench and loosen the screw, the knob would come off. Behind this there's a nut, you would remove the nut and the switch would come off basically on the inside of that unit. Very simple unit to work on. The motor basically has 4 screws that you would remove. You can see them. It's very easy to replace the motor. Just remove the 4 screws and the motor will come out. So I hope this short video helps. Thanks for watching.